She just thinks when we had a lodger and she went into the kitchen as I had it. Hey! Yes! 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 That was fucking class! Yes! That was fucking mint. Did you get it on video? Did you get it on video? That was fucking brilliant. Yes! Yes! That was fucking class! Oh please! That was fucking mint! That was fucking mint! That was fucking class! That was absolutely for the last 25 minutes. That was fucking class. Yes! Yes! I probably nearly shit me pants.
Yeah, but you've been sitting there for 25 minutes waiting for that to blow up, like.
Watch it back. Gotta go watch that back. Better get that in the back. In like before the dustbin men turn up and that.
Yeah! Especially not with chunk, that's it though.
Took like
was it Lynx can? Wait, it was. The Lynx can. I blew up. It was a Lynx can.
Eventually.
Aye.
2 light bulbs, a lighter fluid, fire lighters, a bag of flour, tin foil, 2 glasses, a CD.
Lynx can. That was a Lynx can. I blew up. Mint. That caused the explosion, right? Fucking Lynx can. Mint.
Just actually look at the shape of the microwave, like, I felt totally warped about that.
Watch that back, like I said.
That was mint.
Yes! Having a quiet conversation about now.
That was brilliant.
Neighbours and that. Neighbours and that.
Made all worthwhile, that right.
We sat for a long time.
All worthwhile.
So we'll take that extension cable inside through.
Modern art, that though.